Hello, in this video we will show the difference between cumulative distribution function and probability mass function. We begin with the dataset for the cumulative distribution function, which is array formula, normdist of the x values, where the mean is 0, and the first standard deviation, and because this is cumulative, we choose 1 for cumulative distribution function. And here we have the dataset, the trend line of the dataset, and the trend line equation of the dataset in the polynomial regression to the sixth degree. Next, we use the Gauss function to generate the same dataset. So array formula, Gauss function of the x values. You will notice there's a difference between at the mean. There's a difference of zero point 0.5. So we will add zero point 0.5 to the formula. Now they have this. The datasets are exactly the same. That's for the cumulative distribution function. Now we go to the probability mass function, where we have array formula, normdist of the x values, and 0 for the mean, 1 for the standard deviation. This time it's 0 because it's probability mass function. Enter. So this is the probability mass function. Next, we use the phi function to generate the same dataset. Array formula, phi of the x values. So here we have the trend line of the phi function and the probability mass function, and the trend line of the cumulative distribution function. We also have the trend line equations using polynomial regression to the sixth degree.